Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about ways to escape the matrix and get rich in 2023. If you're feeling stuck in your current job and want to break free from the traditional 9-to-5 work model, then this video is for you. One way to escape the matrix is to build passive income through affiliate marketing. By promoting other people's products and earning a commission on each sale, you can create a source of income that requires little ongoing effort once you have set up your affiliate campaigns. Another way to escape the matrix is to create and sell digital products. This can include ebooks, online courses, and digital downloads. By leveraging the power of the internet and creating products that can be sold and delivered online, you can create a scalable business that generates income while you sleep. In addition to affiliate marketing and digital products, you can also build an online business. This can include starting a blog, creating an e-commerce store, or offering services as a freelancer. With the right strategies and tools, you can build a successful online business that generates income and gives you the freedom to work from anywhere in the world. Another way to escape the matrix is to invest in real estate. By purchasing rental properties or flipping houses, you can create a source of passive income that can grow over time. While real estate investing requires some initial capital and effort, it can be a powerful way to build wealth and escape the traditional work model. Finally, you can pursue what's known as Wi-Fi money, the ability to make money from anywhere with an internet connection. This can include any of the strategies we've discussed today, as well as others like stock investing, cryptocurrency trading, or even creating a YouTube channel. The key is to leverage the power of the internet to create a source of income that gives you more freedom and flexibility in your life. Investing in stocks can be a powerful way to build wealth over time. While it's important to do your research and invest wisely, the potential returns can be significant. With platforms like Trading 212, it's easy to get started with investing and build a diversified portfolio that can grow over time. Write me on my Instagram profile Wealth Mindframe to get free stocks. Write to DM Stocks Time. If you have expertise in a particular field, offering consulting services can be a great way to escape the matrix and earn a living doing what you love. By working with clients on a one-on-one basis, you can provide tailored advice and solutions that can help them achieve their goals. While cryptocurrency investing can be volatile and risky, it's also a potential way to build wealth quickly. With platforms like Coinbase and Binance, it's easy to buy and sell popular cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum. However, it's important to do your research and invest only what you can afford to lose. The sharing economy has exploded in recent years, offering opportunities to make money through services like Airbnb, TaskRabbit, and Uber. By leveraging the power of technology and connecting with people in your community, you can create a source of income that's flexible and scalable. Finally, the most important tip for escaping the matrix and getting rich is to pursue your passion. Whether it's starting a business, writing a book, or traveling the world, it's important to follow your dreams and do what makes you happy. With the right mindset and a willingness to take risks, you can create a life that's both fulfilling and financially rewarding. So there you have it, 10 tips for escaping the matrix and getting rich in 2023. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all solution when it comes to creating the life you want. It's up to you to explore different opportunities and find the path that works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.